A 16 Bionic chip, a faster chip, a high-performance display, and the biggest upgrade ever to the camera. Introducing iPhone 14 Pro Max. It's ready for action. New wide and ultra-wide cameras let you capture incredible scenes in even lower light. The new telephoto camera has 3 times optical zoom for even closer close-ups. Discover a new world in macro with the ultra-wide camera. Touch ID is back. Under display fingerprint sensor. Longer battery life. Fast charging 25 watts. Bell-shaped screen cutout. 32 MP front camera. And you upload it and download it faster on the go with 5G. The superior durability of cinematic shield means iPhone 14 Pro dripping is ready for any shoot, almost anywhere. And introducing cinematic mode, which brings the art of cinematography to iPhone. For the first time, you can shift the focus automatically while you shoot or even afterwards. And all in Dolby Vision. The Super Retina XDR display with Pro Motion using an adaptive refresh rate that makes the iPhone experience feel faster and more fluid, more powerful, more intelligent, and a world of cinematic possibilities. Here is iPhone 14 Pro Max.